Hi everyone, welcome to another Creators of Clean series today. I'm very excited because we have two special guests, but just gonna give a few moments as people join in.
Hi, Mariah.
Hi, Tassie.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to our next Creators of Clean Instagram series. We are so excited that you could be here with us today as we continue our weekly series and chat through all things clean beauty. And as you may know, for the month of October, we are here to show you our fabulous holiday sets. They're so great. And so if you're new to Beautycounter, we are the leaders in clean beauty and the personal care product space. And we are on a mission to get safer products into the hands of everyone. As Mariah said, my name is Tassie and I work on Beautycounter's mission team as our director of advocacy. As a mission-based company, we've been committed to formulating clean and effective personal care products that protect both people and the planet. So I love fun facts personally, so I'm just going to start off with a few fun facts about our mission and a few things that make our brand so special. So first, did you know that the US bans only 30 harmful ingredients from personal care products? But here at Beautycounter, we have a never list that bans over 2,800, that's right, 2,800 harmful or questionable ingredients from our products. And our ingredients are screened across 23 human health and environmental health endpoints by our product safety toxicologists. We not only assess endpoints that other beauty brands do, like skin and eye irritation potential, but we also assess carcinogenic potential, hormone disruption, and reproductive hazard. Did you also know that since our launch in 2013, Beautycounter has influenced the passage of 15 health and environmental protective laws at both the federal and state levels? And my favorite part of all of that is that we did so by mobilizing our community of thousands of brand advocates who have collectively held close to 3,000 meetings with their members of Congress in the US and members of Parliament in Canada. And my last fun fact for the day is that did you know that 74% of our packaging now meets our 2025 goal of recycled, recyclable, refillable, reused, or compostable packaging? It is a handful to say all of that, but it's very important work that we're very grateful our sustainability and product development teams work on. For the products in our pipeline, we continue to lean in on refills, post-consumer recycled plastic resins, and more recyclable materials like glass and aluminum as we innovate. So all of that to say, I could talk for hours about our mission, but in the interest of time, those are just a few of my favorite mission fun facts that make Beautycounter so special. And so today I'm going to be joined by Kimberly, who is a familiar face on these lives, and we're going to be chatting through two sets. All of our sets are so wonderful, but these happen to be some of my favorite of our sets. Kimberly, thank you for joining us. Are you here to talk holiday sets with us?
Yeah, no, I'm so excited to be here and thank you so much for having me. So I'll talk about our holiday sets. As everyone probably knows from joining the series, our holiday sets vary from skincare, body care, makeup, and obviously but our very first time fragrance, which is like super exciting for us. We're stepping into a new category. And we'll talk about all the clean beauty standards and also respecting our never list, like you mentioned, Tassie. So yeah, I'm really excited to hop right into and talk about our sets.
And Kimberly, I love that you mentioned our never list. As you know, at Beautycounter, we do not compromise on efficacy or safety. Our research and development and product development teams work so closely with our safety and regulatory teams to formulate safer and high-performing products. So let's jump into our first set.
Okay, I'm so excited. Should I show you guys the set? I'm really excited about it. So this set, which is in a really cute box, it's called our Shimmer and Glow Duo. Well, Shimmer and Glow Makeup Duo. So cute. I love that yours is already out of the box. So I'm going to take mine aggressively out of the box. But yeah, so our Shimmer and Glow is a limited edition set for the luminous kind of looks all season long as I try to get it out of the set.
It's okay. I got you, Kimberly.
You got it? Okay, amazing. Thank you. Oh my God, you ripped the box. It's so pretty.
Are we doing cream shadow or highlighter first?
Okay. Well, I guess we could probably talk about the lid glow, and then we'll kind of go into our shadow here, or a powder, obviously. So yeah, so these products are super amazing. I absolutely love them. Just like a quick background about the topics of it all. It's our talc-free highlighting powder, new shade Kava, which is so pretty. Here, I'll show it to you guys, and I'll obviously do a demo. So pretty, I love it. Which is like a shimmery rose bronze that looks and feels literally weightless. The powder is also paired with their Lid Glow Cream Shadow, which is so pretty. Obviously, like I literally love this product. And it's in a limited edition shade called Blaze, which is like a shimmery pink and champagne that draws like some attention to your lids, which is so cute. Which one is your favorite, Tassie?
I have to say, I mean, they're both great, but I like the talc-free highlighting powder. Excuse me if I could talk today.
I know, it's like it's such a mouthful. You're like, wait, I need to like say the entire thing. No,
no, it gives me the perfect glow, especially now that it's getting a little bit colder. I'm not in the sun as much. It's really nice to have that glow. It's not glittery. It's just the perfect amount of shine.
Should I do like a quick? I'm gonna do like a quick demo.
Yeah. I don't have a brush.
Oh yeah, you're gonna do. Okay, cool. Okay, let me do.
Yeah, I'm gonna apply this on my lip.
Oh wait, this is like really on my face. Oh wait, that's cute, Mariah.
I love.
Okay.
So this Blaze plus Gleam and Aura are my 3 favorites, and they're all within that kind of
okay, I did like that face.
Nice kind of subtle highlight.
But I like your eyeshadow, Mariah. It's really pretty.
Thank you. And that's the thing I was going to say. I am not well versed in eyeshadow or makeup really, but these are so easy to use.
Okay, wait,
like the doe foot applicator,
actually, because you're like kind of like
on, you can just pat on with your finger.
While they're doing the makeup demos, I have a mission fun.
Oh my god! Okay. All right, let's do it.
Our Lid Glow Cream Shadow, which Mariah is putting on right now, is formulated without cyclic silicones or mineral oils. And if you don't know what those are, no problem. But they are ingredients that are linked to health and environmental concerns. So for us, it was very important. These are common ingredients found in eyeshadows that we absolutely did not want to put in our products. And our Lid Glow Cream eyeshadow is also formulated without preservatives, which are often known to cause irritation in cream eyeshadows. So in addition to looking gorgeous on Kimberly and Mariah, you can feel good that these are safer products that are clean and beautiful and work very well.
I love that. Yeah, like on the back of my hands. Yeah,
I feel like you and I just put it on the back of your hand.
But yeah, I know it does look really good. Here, I wonder.
No, it looks so gorgeous.
Well, I kind of like watched my end, but yeah, I don't know if you guys can probably see that, but it is really pretty on the skin. It's so pretty. I love it. Yeah. So should we get into our next set, or should we like take a pause? Should we ask people if there's any questions?
Yeah, if anyone has
about
questions.
any of like these amazing products at all. I don't know if you've talked about this too, Tassie, but we've also partnered with How to Recycle, which is a labeling system that clearly communicates the disposable instructions. So we don't really have to play the guessing game every time we like finish a product. So yeah, that's super exciting that we can also add in the key component. Thank you, Mariah.
Oh yes, thank you, Mariah.
Yes, I love that vision in the back of the box. So yeah, should we take a pause, look for some questions, and then
sorry.
Yeah.
And I was going to ask, one thing I wanted to mention was with How to Recycle, we also have the Packed Collective program. So items like this, where they are much smaller than a yogurt cup, which can get lost in just all of, with recycling bins. Even if you're doing your due diligence, it's important that with the Pack Collective, you can ship back, I believe, up to 10. There isn't a weight limit, but I believe up to 10 mini products, and they'll provide a label. So another great option,
Mariah,
just to stay on top of recycling.
Yeah, you can download a label on the Packed Collective website and ship your empties back. Or if you don't feel like mailing something back, you can also go on their website and find drop-off bins in your neighborhood or near you. They're found in beauty stores all across the country, and it's a really great way to ensure that your smaller and harder to recycle empties are in fact getting recycled, and we love the Pack Collective so much.
I love
All
that.
right.
Thank you.
Should we jump into our next set?
Yeah, we could, but I did see
Oh, there's a
someone did
question.
ask a question.
My bad.
Someone did say, no, you're fine. Someone did say, will Beautycounter come out with a liquid / matte lip? And I don't want to say anything, of course, but I heard through the grapevine that our innovation team is working very hard on some amazing products in 2024. So that's all I will say. Keep it very like vague and ominous as possible. But I heard that our innovation team is working on something really amazing. And before we go ahead and jump into the next set, I did just want to mention, just kind of slide in an amazing offer that we have going on. So right now we have our 12 days of freebies promotion, which is amazing because every 4 days we're changing your set with our offer. So if you spend $150 in US or Canada, you will receive a shimmer and glow makeup duo set, which is the set that we're actually talking about, which is just so amazing. So you can see us on this live, kind of putting it on. So if you spend $150, you can get a free set, so you might as well hop on it. It's a pretty amazing product, but yeah, that's it.
Thanks,
Cool.
Kimberly.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's move on to our second set, which is the Keep Cool Radiance Duo. Also a little bit of a mouthful. Thank you, Mariah. Oops, I don't want my globes. My globes were running away. But this is a favorite of mine because, as you can see from what Mariah is holding up, the packaging is beautiful. But let's jump into the set and why I love it. So radiant looking skin is a wish list regular. So we made this limited edition set to help deliver just that. So with this set, you get a full-size bottle of our best-selling Counter Time Serum, which is one of my favorites. I use it multiple times a day. I personally have a little bit more oily skin, and it's so great for my skin. It gives me radiant, young looking, bright skin. It's gorgeous. It's formulated with a powerful blend of peptides, amino acids, and this is very important, our plant-derived retin natural complex. And this clean and safer formula works to improve skin barrier function. It increases skin radiance and it decreases the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So great for my skin. You can follow the serum with, these are super fun. These are our new refreshing facial glows. Cute. They're best when used chilled, and they help depuff and then also improve absorption when you're putting on your product. So you can just go like this. I took these out of the refrigerator about 15 minutes ago. And in the morning, it's so good. It feels so nice and cool on my face. And it really helps with depuffing. And once I put my serum on in the morning, I work it in with these globes, and yeah, it's just
aren't the globes too? And I have them here, but they're branded, right? Like they have like little beads on them. So yeah, cute. Like beads, they're super cute. Honestly, the branding moment of this product just makes me so happy. It's like beautiful. I love it.
Yeah.
And I feel like they're just adding to the stocking stuffer, even of like, I don't know, it's just such a cute idea. They're my favorite thing to use in the morning, and I'm sure you can, go upside down and go along with that line.
And I know Kimberly talked a little bit about our promo. Again, I took advantage of that just yesterday online. I spent like $155, and my free set is on the way.
I love that. That's so exciting.
I love this highlighter so much. I can't decide if I'm going to keep the set for myself or if I'm going to gift it around the holidays. But
that's such a good idea. I honestly feel like gifting it is so amazing because it's so cool. I mean, obviously the highlighting power is talc free, which is new. The shade is new. I feel like it's like amazing, good opportunity time to kind of gift it to your loved ones. And then if anyone sees it, they use it, like, oh my God, this highlighter is literally amazing. And yeah, so I think it's really pretty.
Not only that, but I was going to mention that this particular shade is a universally flattering shade.
You honestly can't go wrong with it. Stay tuned because we'll actually have one more freebie to announce on October 27th. So stay tuned. The freebies aren't over, but for the purposes of this live, speaking of freebies, let's wrap up today with a product giveaway. Who wants free products?
Everyone wants free products.
Okay.
I want free products.
I know. Kimberly, you're exempt from this. Sorry, you can't participate.
Okay.
Okay, so get your keyboards ready. So earlier today, I talked about a special ingredient complex found in our countertime tripeptide serum. The first 2 people to comment with what that special ingredient complex's name is will win a full-size bottle of our tripeptide
Full
serum. So
size?
yes, full size.
That's
Yes.
a gift.
So
I love
get
that.
to adding in the chat. I will repeat the question one more time. So we talked about a special ingredient complex found in our countertime tripeptide serum. The first 2 people to comment with what that special ingredient complex is will win a full-size bottle of our serum. And I think we have 2 winners already, right, Mariah?
Yes, I was just saying, it looks like Brooke is the new
Amazing.
black and Oh Jessica,
Ooh,
Ret Natural Complex.
Yay!
I'm very jealous that you will be winning 2 bottles of our beloved serum. And our social team will be DMing you, requesting your details so we can get that prize out to you.
Amazing.
All right. Well, this has been so wonderful.
It's been
Thank
so
you,
fun.
everyone,
It was so
for
nice
sending-
chatting. And thank you so much,
fun.
Tassie and Mariah. And honestly, Tassie, just to like round it out, I absolutely love, before I hopped on, I was listening, I absolutely love that you hopped on and you kind of shared the mission, advocacy, and honestly, the reason why we work at Beautycounter. So it was really special to hear that from you. So thank you.
Thanks, Kimberly. Yeah, this has been so wonderful. We hope you enjoyed learning more about our sets, learning more about our mission, and do not forget, we have 14 limited edition holiday sets. So head to beautycounter.com to check them out, learn more, and get your shop on because the holidays are around the corner.
Woo! Okay.